So everybody looks at these different silos in maintenance and reliability, right? You see this across the board in manufacturing where you have silos here, people building their own things, people doing their own things, and there's no difference with technology. And when people have problems, they don't need technology to solve those problems, they need solutions for that space. So what we are uniquely positioned to do is to be able to provide that solution from soup to nuts. So when you look at connected reliability, it starts with, okay, identifying where there might be problems, right? Predicting where there might be problems, finding those failures potentially early. And there's systems out there that do that and do those types of things. But then the next step is being able to capture that data, go and action that data, go into capture what's being done against those assets, and then potentially even taking the tools afterwards and fixing the problem. So connected reliability doesn't just start and stop with fluke reliability, right? So we have the connected systems when it comes to vibration monitoring and whatnot. But again, connected reliability is much more than just vibration. Connected reliability goes much farther than that when it goes to the different conditions that they might find, and whether that be through a route-based process with an IR gun or just different sensing lines, oil analysis, etc. All these different pieces that Fluke can help with, and pull that in and, again, document that in the system, generate the workovers from there, and really have that full asset hierarchy and asset approach that they might capture all that information. So I think the one thing I would say is taken away from connected reliability is it isn't just the technology piece of it. So the connected reliability piece is really about how you're deploying it. It's the processes that go behind that and the actions that you're taking because of the information that's at your hand. And that's really where the magic happens. The nice thing about the solution and deploying connected reliability is that people can enter at different stages. So there might be an infancy level of this process, and we might start with just being able to figure out, hey, on these 3 pieces of equipment, these are our most critical. How do we start getting better data? How do we start getting better analysis on that space? It might be taking this great information that we have, we build a great analytics model, and then but we're really bad about tracking the work that's being done against that. So we can enter at that point. So it really depends on where they're at, but I think starting with the critical assets, starting there where you know the problems are there, you get a good return of investment, will always be key.